Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how to ask for GPS location in Google Forms. So first, open Google Drive. Log in with your account on Google Drive. Now, click on New. Go to Google Forms. Click Blank Form. After that, take your time to modify your form and head over to Questions. Click on Questions. For the questions, you can click type in where are you located for the type of answer. You can just choose short answer that the user will type in his location. And you can just check if it's required or not. So, make it required here. And that's it, guys. You successfully added GPS location questions in Google Forms. If you found this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.